So that was a short presentation on GNC Under the Shade of the Gnani for the young Mahatmas. Kids websites promotions. We are in the break of the morning or the evening session of the Parayan of Aptavani 3, day 3, Sunday, August 24th, 2014. We have one more hour to go in the question and answer session and this evening session.
શું તમે તમારા પ્રિયજનોને અનોખી રીતે વિશ કરવા માંગો છો? તો અમારી પાસે છે સ્પેશિયલ ઈ-કાર્ડ્સ જે તમે તમારા મિત્રો અને સ્નેહીજનોને મોકલી શકો છો. રમતગમતમાં સાચી સમજણની વધારો ગેમ્સ કાઉન્ટરમાં. અને બીજું ઘણું બધું. આપણા પ્રિય જ્ઞાનીઓનું બાળપણ. જે દાદાશ્રી ઉજ્જૈનમાં જતી કથા. ડાઉનલોડ કરો તમારા ફેવરેટ મેગેઝિન અક્રમ એક્સપ્રેસ બાલ વિજ્ઞાનની બુક્સ ઉજ્જશ્રીના બાળકો સાથેના અને વિવિધ ફોટોસ જોઈ શકો છો આકર્ષક ફોટો ગેલેરીમાં. અને વોલપેપર. સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને મેળવો દર મહિનાની અપડેટ ન્યૂઝલેટર દ્વારા. તો તમે શેની રાહ જુઓ છો? જ્ઞાન, મસ્તી અને આનંદથી સમૃદ્ધ બનો. માત્ર kids.dadabhagwan.org પર.
youth.dadabhagwan.org of the youth, for the youth, by the youth. તો ચાલો મિત્રો આપણે સૌ આ વેબસાઇટના વિવિધ મોડ્યુલ્સની ઝાંખી મેળવીએ. આર્ટિકલ્સ, ધીરુમાની મીઠી યાદે, ધીરુમાના હૃદયસ્પર્શી જીવન પ્રસંગો, યુવાનોના પ્રેરણાદાયક અનુભવો, અક્રમપીડિયા, અક્રમ વિજ્ઞાનનો ઓનલાઈન ખજાનો, યુથ ઇન એક્શન, યુવાન ભાઈઓ અને બહેનોના થતા સત્સંગ, YMHT સેન્ટર્સની વેન્યુ, ટાઈમ, શેડ્યુલ વગેરે માહિતી મળશે. વાય હેંગઆઉટ, આપણા પ્રશ્નોના સમાધાન આપ્ત સંકુલના ભાઈઓ તથા બહેનો દ્વારા ઓનલાઈન સત્સંગ અને ઈમેલના માધ્યમથી. અક્રમ ટ્યુબ, અક્રમ વિજ્ઞાનના વિડીયોઝનું ઓનલાઈન કલેક્શન, જેમાં આપણે સૌ જોઈશું વાર્તાઓ દ્વારા સમજણ, યુવાનોના અનુભવો, આપણા પ્રશ્નોનો જવાબ, યુથ એનર્જાઇઝર. સર, યુવાનો એમના વેકેશનમાં દાદાના જગત કલ્યાણના મિશનમાં સિમંદર સિટી આવી યોગદાન આપી શકશે. ટુડેઝ યુથ એપલ અને એન્ડ્રોઈડ માટેની ફ્રી એપ્લિકેશન, ઈ કાર્ડ્સ, ગેમ્સ, કોમિક સ્ટ્રીપ્સ અને ઘણું બધું ફક્ત youth.dadabhagwan.org. જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ. જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ. આપણો પ્રશ્નોત્તરી સત્સંગ કાર્યક્રમ શરૂ થાય છે. બધા મહાત્માઓને વિનંતી છે કે ઝડપથી પોતાની જગ્યા પર બેસી જાય જેથી આપણો કાર્યક્રમ ચાલુ થઈ શકે આગળ.
So we just lost signal again, and so we will try to find out what's going on as far as the lost signal is concerned. Refresh it. There we have the Gnani now.
દીપાલી મહેતા, દખુભાઈ ATPL.
Dakubhai ATPL and Dipali Mehta. The questions are already announced. So they're still sorting out the questions. Jai Sachidanand. Now, my name is Babu Bhai Munjani. The non-self complex is complaining that you have become pure, but now it is your responsibility to make us pure. Who is the nth? But now the same one who used to believe that I am Uve has become I am pure soul. Though I am Uve went in the wrong direction, I am pure soul is now moving in the right direction. That is all. And as it becomes press the wrong button. Yes. When you become the knower of this non-self complex, the Pudgal will become pure. Will you please try to explain Prayogsha, Mishra and Vishresha? We will take it later. A lot has already been covered, so we will take it. It's very clear. When it is charged, it's called Prayogsha, and then when it is ready to discharge, then it's called Mishra, and when it gives, and when the result is come, then and the suffering happens, then the Vishrasa, the pure Parmanus, are released as Vishrasa. Next one, Dakhubai. Yesterday, we had there was talk about a Prayogi, the experimenter, and so we know that the Prayogi gets there is no Prayogi anymore in Akram. Then thus is the original self does not exist in the original. All of these impurities when there is when the rag dvesh arises and when they go away, then it is called vitrag. When the physical attraction goes away, then you are vitrag. You see. When the mistakes are there, that is called vibhav, and when the mistakes are not there, anger, pride, deceit, and greed are not there, then that means there is the energy of the self. Because of the veils over the self, that the kashais arise, and so when there is veil over the knowledge, then there is gnanavaran. When there is veil over the vision, then there is darshanavaran. You see, that's like, but But now, originally, the original Gnan Darshan is expressing, but the original self is there as the original light only. But now, in the Gnanvidhi, but in the Gnanvidhi, the knowledge and vision is directly expressing. So really, therefore, because the Siddh, so no. It rises in the middle, does it not? Because it is always there in both hands. There is the energy of the original soul, and that is energy of the. Uh, but because the but it is the quality of the. Uh, okay, so there is the Dravya Gun Pariyayat, so therefore there is the matter, and because the pressure on circumstances of the matter, then the the qualities are there, and then the qualities have their own phases. When the independent qualities of the self remain separate from the independent qualities of the non self, then nothing new can arise in the middle as the ego and the ego reactions and the kashais, and therefore one is liberated. It is the belief that has become wrong once, because the belief is that, that the wrong vision has arisen. The wrong vision says I am away. The right vision says that I am pure soul. You see, I am the eternal world. Therefore, all the various qualities of the self are eternal, indestructible. And if only this much is understood, then there is no reason to really wonder about the original self. You see, it is because of the worldly interacting self that arose because of the wrong belief that arose within the self only, that, oh, it is happening to me, I am Katya, I am Nada, and this is happening to me, that the entire new world has arisen. Otherwise, there is nothing. That is simply that which is in front, and there is the blissful one on this side of the line of demarcation as a knower and seer only, and there is no interference at all. That is the developing eye. Yes, that is the developing eye from ignorance to absolute self. Okay, what is the Pudgal Paramat, the play of the Pudgal? What is it? Is it the Pudgal? Yes, Pudgal has got its own miraculous play, but the water has its. The water has got the natural ability to flow in a lower direction. However, we are the ones who pump it up to a height so that we can receive it in our home. You see, but you see, but you see, we do a little bit vibhav, we laser it up in the same way there is a prayog and prayogi. To experiment is the interference of the experimenter only, but it is otherwise it is almost automatically happening only. So prayogsha is that no. But prayogsha and karamat are different. Prayogsha, because of the illusion. The illusion arises because of ignorance of the self. He says it is happening, and one says I did it. It's happening to me, and that is why it starts. One starts having all kinds of problems. We believe the Pudgal to be me. I am the Pudgal, and therefore we get pulled with the train. We no. What is karamat? What does the charge and discharge is not the karamat. Karamat is at the time of charge, whatever subatomic particles get charged, those subatomic particles do the miraculous play after the charging. The moment you believe that I am doing it, as the charged subatomic particles form a body, and then 9 months later it is out in the world, you see, and then it becomes a man. Then there are the qualities of the man, woman, etc. Then becomes a young man, then an old man. That is all. That is the entire karamat, the miraculous play of the Pudgal. But by believing that it's happening to me, and then one loses control, you see. Dipali. When should we do prayers? How should we do prayers? Should we do it for positivity? What is the role of prayer in our life? when you see mistakes of other persons, negativity of the other person at that time, then you can do, Yo Dada Bhagwan, let him become free from his mistakes. And if there is weakness within you, then ask for the energies within. And so Pratikraman also is the same way. If you can see mistakes of the other person, then you should do Pratikraman. And if you cannot see any mistakes, then you should ask for the energy within to see it as it is. When there is a negative opinion and you keep on having the same negative opinion, then you need to convert it into positive through Pratikraman. And we do prayers because we have negativity within us. And when everybody does the right kind of positive energies, fill him with right kind of positive energies, that person will improve. There are whole kinds of questions. You see, so we have got a lot of questions. So now Forum Patel and Sirish Patel are going to come for questions. Charmi. But the example of Parmanu is that if we do this, and then the subatomic particles of sweetness arise. Parmanus are physical, right? They are visible to the Keval Gnan, Ni. Yes. But you see, when the man Parmanus, the knot of man or pride explodes or arises, therefore that is this Parmanus. Even if it is physical, there is man on. But because the word Parmanu has been used even at a is there a physical thing or what is it? These are all charge effect subatomic. They are called effective subatomic particles. You see, now they are coming into effect as anger, pride, deceit, and greed. As soon as the nimitta arises, the reaction arises within. You see, somebody says, "Oh, hi, Katya, how are you?" Immediately the pride arises within, that I got called, I got respected, etc. You see, but you are the pure soul now. Therefore, these subatomic particles arising or falling down or are neither yours at all. You just need to really understand them and settle them with equanimity. That is all. But if there is a physical thing, it has its subatomic particles. But now these are all, yes, as physical thing has subatomic particles, and then Kashais too have Parmanus. Ego has Parmanus. But I feel that in some certain things in life we say there is no value of it. I don't have any value. I don't need to have any kind of stress over it. However, but in some other things you have interest. You see, you'll say, "Oh, my earrings are of diamonds. My ring is of diamond." You see, but you see, you do not have any value for the soul, do you? The value of the soul, you see, because this, but you see, when you have no value for a piece of coal, but you have a piece of carbon called diamond. When because we become absorbed in it, because we become absorbed because we have valued it. You see, it is not because we absorb in it that we value it. Because we value it that we get absorbed in it. You should have the right value towards it. From Modi, page 32. The suffering of karma is under the control of Vyavasthit. How can and the suffering? What about suffering? Bhogavato suffering. It's not the suffering, but when you have to suffer the karma, that is part of Vyavasthit. But Bhogavato, the suffering, of course, is up to the nature of the knowledge of the person. So it's just. You see, in other words, one has to suffer. Is it part of Vyavasthit? Somebody has to suffer. Somebody has to get married, whether he wants to get married or not. He has to get married by force. You see, that means he has to suffer the karma. That is part of scientific circumstantial evidences. But not the other, not the suffering of ignorance. You see, or the lack of understanding. And the same one. Bhagavato, this is also your also. Sirish has asked the same question. That is, who is the sufferer? Bhagavato is the suffering, and Bhagavato, because then worldly interaction. So right now there is one is suffering pleasure, enjoying pleasure. You see, and then when somebody is suffering his sin karma effect, somebody is suffering his merit karma effect. That is called Bhagavato. But you see, the suffering is modified by Gnan. You see. Yes, yes, the Vyavasthit gives the effect of the karma only. You see that is. But you see, through the Bhagavato, the suffering can be changed through our own Gnan. You see, the first effect is there. You see, you got a gold watch, that is the first effect. When you become very happy or unhappy about it, that is because of your knowledge only, your ignorance. When you lose it, there is the suffering of ignorance only. So- And so, therefore, we use Asar and Bhagavato. We see effect versus the suffering. You see, the suffering does not need to be suffered because of the awareness of the self. Next one. Different kinds of Gnan manifest through the medium of the Pudgal, the the Gnan of hearing, Shruta Gnan, the Gnan of the intellect, and the knowledge, the four different kinds of Gnan arises. Nobody knows. It is slowly as with the Kramik path, people know in advance. No, the Kramik path do not know. But Lord Parshanath, he was. This is only after he became a Gnani, Lord Parshanath was aware of what happened when he became a fully enlightened. When he was about to get enlightened, then he has got the Manoparaya Gnan and Avadhi Gnan. All of those knowledge will let him know what is the effect, the result of which life. But will we get all of these previous lives in our last life? Why are you trying to do? Yesterday I ate sandwich, day before yesterday I ate some other kind of vegetables, and the 10 days ago I this. What do you want to know by remembering it all? Why don't you remain in the bliss of the self only? Why do you place so much value of the non-self complex? Yes, there is the knowledge of your previous life helps you attain some degree of dispassion towards life, but for moksha you need knowledge of the self only. Dada says, "Oh, Dada, this is a very sticky account." Therefore, he says, "You must have done a lot of faults, and therefore now just settle the file with equanimity. What difference does it matter in which lifetime did you have this kind of mistakes or accounts with anyone? That which unfolds in front of you is your account and your file. Settle it with equanimity. That is all." Next one. And the VS says the subtlest thing in this entire universe is the soul, then how can it have any kind of pressure? Then he says it has this pressure of circumstances on its knowledge, not on it, not on the soul, but on it. He tried to go and see, hey, what's happening there in Lake Constance? What is happening to that man in Lake Constance? You see, so he went out to see that. You see, he went out. You see. I see it's because we see it wrong because there is a veil over the knowledge. You see, the veil over the knowledge arises because you believe I am Katya or I, with the belief, the wrong belief that I am Nada or I am Gata. That is why. And then Rag Dvesh arises, you see, and then he gets trapped, you see. Next one is Rajendra Modi. Microphone. I have a question. He's a slow questioner. In Aptamani 3, Vibhav. Vibhav happens due to pressures of circumstances and because light goes out. Aptaman 14, volume 1, when two things get together, there is a vibhav in their qualities, and then vibhav is an external internal. It is due to the pressure of because of the pudgal only, and the chetan has got its own swabhav as well as vishesha bhav, and therefore I understand that when two things get together, a new property arises which does not belong to either one of them, and it creates a new base for. Therefore, when Jad and Chetan get together, and when they do not get any kind of, it is because the pressure circumstances vibhav arises. There's aham, ego is aham, I am something, and then ahankar is the next one. You're correct. That is all correct. What is the original cause is ignorance and pressure of circumstances. Because another thing met you, the non-self met you, you believe, it feels as if I am doing it, it's happening to me. So the circumstances are touching you, but you believe that it is happening to me, I am doing it, and that is called vibhav, that is ego. All words are meant to give you the same knowledge only of the self, only of liberation. Next one, then Bharti Bhatt in Ahmedabad. I had a lot of despair, wrong feelings towards close files in the Samaik that I did in the close files. Then you have to note that. That means you have to note that now you have to find out why you have this abhav, the negativity towards, and the scorn and the dislike towards the people who are close to you in your sticky files. You see, but if you, because you have kind of wound it for 20 years, how is it going to go away in 2 days? But then you have to say, why is it happening to me? I have done so many samaiks. Why is it not going away? No, it is the fill stock. Keep the fill stock separate. Continue to do pratikraman. As it rises again, wash it off again. That is all. You should say that these intense mental notes have been carved in stone. If you had written it in sand, it would have gone away, and if you had written it in water, it would have just gone away. But these have been carved in stone within you, and therefore you have actually chiseled them up. That he is like this, she is like this, he is a bad man, she is a bad woman, etc. And you see, then you need to really come to some kind of a solution slowly. Yeah, yes, the worldly interaction inside is good, but inside there is negativity. You have to find out who is having this negativity and make her do pratikrama. Next one, Darshana Trivedi, Babu Bhai. Jai Sachidanand Pujishri. There is the Gnani Bhavo and Agnani Bhavo. What is the I? The one who was ignorant used to say, I am Ove, now is the Gnani Bhavo, and a mini Gnani saying that I am pure soul. Going in the wrong way is following the ego. I with wrong belief is, when the wrong beliefs is ego, and I without wrong belief is called the soul only. And then he has become the Gnani, he has become awakened, he is the knower of everything that is going on. Gnani means the knower, and he has become the knower. When I read it, all of this, when the words, when he says mane, when Dada talks to me, that means it is pure interaction. When I become free from, let me become free from kashais and come into the realm of the self, you see. I am in the Charan Vidhi, so we use the sentences Charan Vidhi to come into the S capital self only. And that is the I who is awakened and wants to come on this side of the line of demarcation. Next one, the continue to understand, and then dharan, to absorb it and to receive it. And dharan means, supposing if you receive it, but because you see, dharan is something. Dharan means you have now accepted it and you have understood it and you keep it in memory, whereas to understand is much higher than to keep it in memory. But you have to first take it into your memory, so then it will come into your understanding. Supposing somebody says, and that's not the bungalow number 7 is on a street, so you have to really remember that. And so that is called the dharan. You have accepted it, that is bungalow number 7. But when you see it, then you will it'll come into your understanding as you see it. And then as you see it, number 7, then it will come into your experience, you see. And so So dharan has got something to do with retention in memory, and so then when you see it, it comes into your understanding, and then continue to understand it, it comes into your experience. And then once it comes to your experience, then you don't have to really continue to receive it. And even if you're woken up in the middle of the night, you will be able to describe where plot number 7 is or bungalow number 7 is. I feel like I love to listen to Dada, but I don't find anything in conduct yet. We do not want to. We just want to bring it in our understanding only, and as and the conduct that is not in accordance with our understanding, then we should have pratikraman only. That is the only purusha that we need to do. The conduct that is not in accordance with the new understanding of the Gnan Vidhi, we need to do pratikraman for it. That is all. You see. We need to keep our presence or our understanding present. The eater is eating. Is the soul eating? No, the soul is the non-eater. Then why do we have to eat? That is because the eater has to eat, because that is the Puran Galan of the non-self complex. That is the filling and emptying of the non-self complex. You have to have the understanding that I am not the one who is eating or discharging. That is all, you see. Do you understand? Forget about this thing. Do you understand what I just said? Don't talk about the north in the south, you see. You say, don't connect it, it's not connected, it's not connected. Just listen, 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 mom, listen, my lady, listen, lady. You're not listening to Deepak Bhai. Now I understand. Just focus on the understand, make your understanding without any mistakes. And then you have to understand that the new understanding is without any mistakes, but the current conduct is with mistakes, and in that discrepancy you have to do pratikraman for all the mistakes that happen in conduct through mind, speech, and body. Nirakurta is not the absence of suffering, you see. Nirakurta is the state of the self and the associated bliss only. It's automatic. And the suffering Bhogavata is of the ego. The two can remain simultaneously. When somebody very close to me dies, and then when I remain unaffected, is that good? Is that Nirakurta? Yes, it happens. That will come into you. When it happens, you will. Then you will know it. When it happens to you, then you will know it. And the kalp, the imaginative is the quality of the soul. But when you really understand the whole sentence, then it is correct. Oh, it's just a different. She's using different sentences of Dada in different ways. So this question needs to be. Can I not? Can I? Maro means mine, or maro means hit and beat. If I just use the word maro, people here will start beating each other. No, they will be all depends on in what context the word maro. Maro means hit and maro means mine. Narayan, the next question. It's raining out there. I can hear in Simandar city. Looks. What is Sthita Prajna Dasha? What is the Sthita Prajna state? Dadashri replies that Sthita Prajna state is the lowest state and people believe it to be a great thing. When what I am doing and the doubt in that is called Sthita Prajna Dasha. And then ordinarily the one whose intellect is absolutely still, that is the meaning. Yes, sir, but he is reading now something from the scripture. Why doubt is associated with, forget about, now to prepare the new dictionary of Dada's Vani, do not be worried about the dictionary of the Gita's only, because people have kind of put it together and then they've tried to get it their connection, whereas Dada is saying it and saying it. So do not compare the mill. This doubt is not for the one who is a very doubtful person or who is always doubting others. It is a question of, am I the doer in all of this? That kind of, when doubt arises, am I really doing this or some other energy is doing it? That is now entering the state of the Sthita Prajna. It is a very high level of awareness, you see. Most people are not even doubting that am I the doer in all of this that is happening to me? Yes, and you see there is so in other Atavanis these are very beautifully described. Then in what way is Sthita Prajna considered low in comparison with Prajna Shakti? Is Prajna which can separate the Swa and the Per, the non-self and the self, is a very high level of state in comparison with the state of doubting, am I doing it or am I not doing it? You see? Prajna, when it arises, it is actually the direct light of absolute self only, and but whereas this one is on the foundation of the ego that he has not actually experienced the soul in the way it is meant to be experienced. That is the sthita prajna dasha, the state. It is the level of the intellect only. Next question: when the pudgal becomes vibhavik, and then the pudgal does not become swabhavik, but the pudgal does not become swabhavik, but through satsang and purusharth and five agnas, then the pudgal begins to become swabhavik. No, no. So when pudgal becomes swabhavik or natural, it will only happen if you remain as the S capital self. The Pudgal does not have to do that. You, by being the self, the Pudgal will automatically become natural. And slowly the Pudgal will become natural and it will remain separate. But we need to go in the direction of the devotion of our own S capital self only, because when you attain the knowledge of the self in Jnanvidhi, then new karma are not charged, and when very little karma are left, then one becomes absolutely enlightened, and then that is the last life, the last body is attained before the final liberation into the Kshetra. Charam Sharir is the final body before ultimate liberation. And when Charam Sharir is for the Tirthank to becoming a Tirthankar. No. Okay, yes, KVDs also get the Charam Sharis, yes. Everybody gets the same. Whoever is going to attain absolute enlightenment, he gets also the Charam Sharir or the final body. Or he can also get it through the blessing of the Tirthankar also, or through his own efforts also, through Akram. Uh, and then as the body goes away, then one enters the Siddha Kshetra. So, don't bring Swabhavik Pudgal. It has got nothing to do with going to Mahavida Kshetra. Right now here from indistinct experience of self, distinct experience of self, and then Kevad Gnan, and then and then absolute liberation. That is all. That is how the 4 stages of the I am pure soul. Next question. Yes, Sachidanand. And because of the proximity of the Jad and the Chetan, a new Vibhav arises, a new intent arises, and then the Sansara arises, the worldly life arises, ego, intellect, complex arises. He is a Marwadi gentleman, he's speaking in Hindi Marwadi, but it's elsewhere it has been written, when then the Bhavak does the Bhav, then he becomes Bhavya. What is it? What is this making of the intention? When so the vibhavic qualities arise, what is it happening? What is the connection between the bhavak and the bhavak? The bhavak and the bhav are all happening in ignorance. You see, the doer of the bhav and the intentions are all happening in ignorance. So the aware one does not have bhav. And that is the beginning of charging of karma, through the intention that you are charging karma. Who is the bhav? Where is the origin of the bhavak? That which is charged is really kind of recurring itself within it. That which is charged, the belief charged with the wrong belief, I am over, and then it begins in that direction. You see, he says, this is my seed, I have created it, and this is I have created is the bhav of the doership, right? and therefore it continues to feed on its own cycle within itself only. Next question is this self and non-self, Jad and Chetan, because of their association, there is a vibhavic their state, and in that state, our vision gets externalized, and that is Pudgal Bhav, that I am this Pudgal. So then Pudgal Bhav means the Rag Dvesh happens, but when we see this knower, then we see the knower. How can we see the knower? And when the light arises from the seer only and goes all over the universe, in that state, what is the state? When you say that it went into the self, and when my vision went into the non-self and my vision went into the self, that myness goes away. Only the body remains, and when only the body is there, but you see, you are the pure knower and seer, continuous eternal knower seer of the Pudgal only. You see, no more. Okay, one more question, he says. The Dravya Gun Paraya is a Pudgal and Atma Dravya Gun Paraya. What is the difference? The one is visible, the other one is invisible. Okay, that's the short answer. There is a difference. And those belong to the non-self, this belongs to the self, Chetan. When knowing the names, there is this knower has no kind of difficulties at all. It is because of ignorance Rag Dvesh arises. With Gnan, the Rag Dvesh happens. The connection is with Rag Dvesh only. That's all. Yes, Sachidan. I am pure soul, I am pure soul, I am pure soul when I say it, but I cannot experience the soul. I do not feel that I have become the pure soul. But when you are able to see the mistakes of Sushila when she hurts others, that means you are separate from Sushila, are you not? And that the one who is. And then Sahaj Khand, when you can see your own faults, then you are the knower, and that is the realization of the self, that is the experience of the self only. Yes, then slowly that experience of the self will rise as you see more and more mistakes of becoming the non-self or giving energy to the non-self. That is all. You initially used to believe that this is my mistakes. Now you are aware that it's the mistakes of Pushpa, mistakes of Katya, mistakes of Uva, and therefore that is all this discharge. That awareness lets you see the discharge as it is. And before you used to suffer in the pains of life, now you are relatively insulated. You because the veils of the ignorance are removed, and therefore you have a relative insulation towards that pain. You are not the sufferer of the pain. You are the knower of the sufferer of the pain. You are the knower of the one who is suffering the pain or the pleasure in life.